Hey friend, if you've been searching for a real way to make money online, one that doesn't require you to be techie, famous, or spend thousands figuring it out, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how beginners, people just like you, are building real digital businesses without starting from scratch. You don't need to know everything, you just need to know where to start. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to launch your own online business this weekend, even if you never sold a thing online. So grab a notebook, silence your notification, and let's get into it. The beginner's reality. Let's be honest. Starting online can feel confusing. There's so much noise out there. You've seen people talk about drop shipping, affiliate marketing, printables, coaching, crypto. It's overwhelming, right? You know what you want? Income, freedom, flexibility. But the how feels like a giant mystery. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. It's not your fault. Most beginners fail because they try to do it all alone. They spend months watching tutorials, trying to piece things together, but without direction, clarity, and mentorship, it's almost impossible to get momentum. I know because I started there. I was watching everyone else win online and wondering, what am I missing? Then I realized something simple. I didn't need to invent a business. I just needed to plug into one that already worked. That realization changed everything. Now let's talk about the power of digital products. Let's talk about the simplest business model for beginners right now, digital products. Digital products are things like online courses, trainings, templates, guides, memberships, anything you can sell digitally without inventory or shipping. Here's why it's powerful. The global digital product and e-learning industry is projected to hit $3.4 trillion by 2025. People are already buying online education, digital tools, and systems that save them time or help them make money. That means you're not trying to convince people to buy. You're stepping into an existing wave that's already happening. And the beauty of it, you don't have to create a product yourself. You can align with a system that's already proven, one that gives you both the product and the training to start earning fast. That's exactly what I found inside Turnkey Flow. When I first discovered it, I thought, finally, this makes sense. Instead of spending months creating a course, I could start with a ready-to-sell digital product, earn 100% profit, and learn real digital marketing skills at the same time. It's not just a course, it's a full ecosystem that gives beginners everything they need. The education, the product, the mentorship, and the path to profit. The three things every beginner needs. Now let's break down the three things every beginner needs to succeed online. Number one, a proven system. When you're starting from zero, you don't need more trial and error. You need a system that's already getting results so you can follow the blueprint and learn by doing. That's what Turnkey Flow gives you, a system that's been working for thousands of people. Number two, a supportive community. This one's huge. You can't grow in isolation. You need mentors and peers who've been where you are, people who cheer you on, answer your questions, and help you stay consistent. Inside this community, you don't compete. We collaborate. And number three, a simple setup. Complicated never converts. When you're new, simplicity equals momentum. That's why inside Turnkey Flow, you can set up your entire business in a weekend. You don't need fancy funnels or 10 pieces of software. You just follow the steps, plug in your system, and go. This combination, a proven system, community, and simple setup, is exactly what helps beginners finally get results online. The one weekend launch plan. Let me walk you through what I call the one weekend launch plan. If you can give yourself 2 focused days, you can have your business ready to go. Day 1, you'll go through the setup training and plug in your system. This is where you connect your links, set up your capture page, and make sure your business is ready to capture leads and make sales. Day 2, you'll share your journey. That could be a simple post or a short video or a story about why you started. That's it. By the end of day 2, You're live. Your digital business is open for business. This isn't theory. It's the exact process I use to make my first online sale. And once I made one, I realized it works. Because when you learn how to attract attention, drive traffic, and connect with people to a product that truly helps them, you can create income on demand. That's the power of digital business done right. Excuse me. Success stories and future vision. Inside our community, I've seen beginners go from clueless to confident in a matter of days. People who had never made a sale online before, now earning daily. People who doubted that they could do it, now teaching others how. It's not luck, it's leverage. They leverage the system, mentorship, and consistency. And now I want you to imagine something. Imagine 1 year from today, you wake up, you open your laptop, and you see sales coming in overnight. You're building something real, a business that doesn't depend on a boss, a commute, or a permission. That's what's possible when you start, even if you start small. So here's my challenge to you. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink this at all. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. If you've been searching for a way to start earning online, build freedom for your family, and finally take control of your time, this is it. Click the link below to explore Turnkey Flow, the community, the system, the mentorship that helps beginners turn curiosity into confidence and content into cash flow. You're 1 weekend from setup, one sale from profit, and one decision away from creating your new normal. Give yourself the green light. Let's build this together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because every week I'm dropping new videos to help you grow visibility, build income, and create your next level online. Until next time, peace.